Welcome in, everybody. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I am preparing to make some spaghetti and meat sauce. And these are the items that I will be using. This is the ground beef, the sausage, green onion, parsley, celery, peppers, a pound of pasta, and I have the onions. I'm going to be using 3 onions, 3 of these smaller onions. Okay, and moving right over here, I will be using 2 cans of tomato sauce, 1 can of tomato paste. If I need more sauce, I'll add another can of tomato sauce. I have the Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, Chef Paul Prudhomme's Magic Poultry seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, chives, basil, thyme, and I will be using chicken broth here, and I will use some paprika, some ground paprika, and probably a little bit of slap your mama. A little bit of slap your mama. Okay? And I have my cast iron skillet here ready to fry my ground meat. And we will be right back. Hi, this is Patty, and I'm preparing my meats for my meat sauce. And I have the ground beef and the skinless, I think it's beef sausage. Skinless beef sausage. It's beef or turkey. I'll have to go back and look. But anyway, this is the meats and the veggies, the seasonings, and I'm getting ready to put this tomato sauce and tomato paste in here, and then I'm going to put some chicken broth in it instead of water, and then I will boil my spaghetti. I'm getting ready to boil my spaghetti, and then I'll come back and show you my meat sauce and my spaghetti. Okay? Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Patty again. This is the pasta for the spaghetti, and this is the meat sauce with the sausage and ground meat. And I'm going to show you my plate. Look at this. And this is delicious. I'm going to let you see while I take a bite. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Let me take a bite and tell you what it tastes like. It is so delicious. So good. So tasty. This meat sauce and spaghetti is so good. Look at that. If you like my channel, please subscribe, share, and like. And just tap that notifications bell to get the uploads as they come in. Thank you so much. Patty's Southern Kitchen. Goodbye. Hello, hello, hello. This is my garlic bread with parsley. I made a parsley and garlic spread to go with my meat sauce and pasta. And this is on French bread. It is delicious.